Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. So, can you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Oh no, I'm not. This is some Katelyn.
Okay.
And there's 415 SSA icons.
Okay.
2 Sundown SFB 8Ks.
All right.
And PRVs in the doors with a 150.4 Sundown.
Nice. Who built the box? This looks good.
I built the box.
Okay. That's a really deep box. Do you know the cubic space and tuning on it?
It is right at 8.5 cubes and 35 hertz.
35 hertz. Okay.
Learning, I'm a newbie.
Are you learning? Is this your system?
Yes.
Awesome. All right. You got your back seats, you got your big box, and you have a lot of room, honestly.
We do. But now that I've been over there, I think we're going to have to take all this out.
Oh, yeah?
It's got to get bigger.
Really? I like the amp rack, too. It's pretty cool design. You don't have to worry about any vibration, and it's safe and secure. Looks
It
good.
is bolted to the floor. I've got a 4x8 sheet of MDF on the floor.
Yeah.
And then, so it's bolted to the floor, and then the box is bolted to the floor, but they're separate, so I can take it out.
Oh, there we go. All right. Can I see the back real quick?
Sure.
Ooh. Nice. And you got some space behind. I guess did you?
Got a little bit of storage space.
There you go.
And so got a little bit of load to it as well.
I like that. Nice. How big is this? Cubic space wise, if you know.
It's 8.5 cubes total.
Okay.
5 sheets of MDF. But
Yeah.
8.5 cube, 35 hertz, but not sure inside. But 48.5 inches wide by I think it's like 51 deep.
Nice. Where's your battery at?
So I've got 2 Excess Power SB 500-34s and beside the amp rack behind the second row seat.
Yeah.
And then I've got a Superstar just right in the hood.
All right. Oh, I see him. There we go. Nice. Did you do any kind of SPL tests on it?
Haven't yet. As far as a burp score, FCBC it does a 155 music average.
Okay. Oh, that's good. Awesome. Nice. All right. awesome. I like that. What? No. Are you learning? Is this your system?
Yes.
Awesome. All right. You got your back seats, you got your big box, and you have a lot of room, honestly.
We do. But now that I've been over there, I think we're going to have to take all this out.
Oh, yeah?
It's going to get bigger.
Really?